beautiful people, this is me, I'm your host, and today I want to share and show you my beauty empties for the month of February. So if you want to know what I think about the items in this bin, then keep on watching. In this bin I have more than few empties which I use in the month of February, and you know what, I was kind of worried that I'm not gonna have too many products, but it ended up that yes, I did use it up some. So let me empty this and then I'm gonna go over the items. So this is part one when I'm gonna be talking about skincare, and in the second part it's gonna be anything else like perfume, body products and makeup. But anyway, let me empty the bucket. I'm gonna start with face washes. The first one is from Soap & Glory. That's their vitamin C facial wash. Let's say I went through few of those. When it's full, it's blue with a little bit. I'm not sure about the vitamin C because vitamin C it's not long enough for on your skin. It says 3-in-1 smooth, cleans, purifies. Honestly, I would say because of the beads, you're getting the physical exfoliation, and the beads, they're the one who's gonna remove the dead skin. That's the way how it's gonna be more smoother and more glowy. But with the vitamin C, not so much. Since I went through few of those, I know how they work, or I should say how they perform. I use this either at the gym or just when I need some face wash. If you're not picky about the cleanser, this one it's okay. It's a cleanser, like it cleans, it foams, it goes down the drain. If I'm gonna repurchase a full size, no. Unless it's in some kind of a set and I have no choice, I'm gonna use it. But no, I'm not gonna buy it. Then from Body Shop, I have their Vitamin E Gentle Facial Wash with Vitamin E and with Germ O. From this line, I do enjoy their Vitamin E cream, which is simple, but at the same time, it does hydrate and smell pleasantly. I was hoping that this cleanser is gonna smell the same way. Unfortunately, it doesn't. Like the cream, it has that nice vitamin E scent. This one, not so much. If you're picky about the scent, you're not gonna like it. However, because this is a face wash, it's gonna go down the drain. The texture of it, it's like a pudding, which gives you a light foam. So yes, it does foams a little bit. I try it, I use it up. No, I'm not gonna repurchase. The last one is for First Aid Beauty. That's their Pure Skin Face Cleanser with Antioxidant Booster. And what else does it do? Remove surface, all makeup, dirt, grime, safe for sensitive skin. The first time when you use it and you take a look at it, you will think it's a foaming cleanser because of the texture. But no, it's not. Once you apply it, it's more of a creamy cleanser, which yes, foams a little bit, but not too much. It was okay. I'm like, no, I'm not gonna buy a full size. It was okay as a cleanser. Sticking with cleansers, I should say with cleaning our face, I have the face scrub from L'Oreal. That's their Pure Sugar Scrub. And that's the backs of it. So when it was full, it was green in color. Okay, here we go. So you can easily take a look. And what it has inside, it has sugar and kiwi seeds. Who is it for? If you like exfoliating your face once in a while, yes, you can easily use it up. Why? Because sugar is gonna dissolve, so no, it's not gonna be harsh. With the kiwi seeds, I really didn't see too many results. I'm like, yes, they went down the tube, or should say down the drain, but I get more from the sugar which was inside. If I will repurchase, no. And why? Because I don't remember the price for it, but the nice thing, or should say the thing which works was sugar. So in reality, I could just buy a bag of sugar, put some olive oil or any other kind of oil and easily massage it. So yes, you can do your DIY sugar scrub and no, you don't have to spend your money. However, if you don't like let's say, making too many things in the kitchen, yes, you can easily go for it. However, if you want to introduce someone to skincare, yes, this is something to start with. L'Oreal, they have few products which come in the same package, or I should say similar package. So they have masks, scrubs, even moisturizer. From, let's say, this shape of a jar, I like their mask, which is red, I believe it's with red alg, and also their moisturizer, which is blue in color. So with the other items, yes, I see myself repurchasing. With this one, not so much, but it is a nice product if you once in a while want to have a physical exfoliation, or if you want to introduce someone to skincare. And also, this is a nice gift because it comes in a nice elegant jar. Since I forgot to mention earlier, on my eyes I have the Wet n Wild new eyeshadow palette, and I make a video about it, so I can easily link it to it. This one, it's called Heart and Soul. So yeah, so that's the one which I have on my eyes. Going back to the skincare, I have here makeup removers. And to make it easier, if you wear regular makeup, or should say regular mascara from AVENE, I have the Micellar water, which, yes, it was nice and gentle. But if you do wear waterproof makeup, in here I have two different ones, or should say two makeup removers. And yes, they come in two phases, so you have to shake it before you use it. First one, it's from Garnier, that's their Micellar cleansing water. And yes, it removes everything beautifully, waterproof mascara, waterproof eyeliner, anything which you want. And no, I didn't have issues with it. And then the second one, it's Bi-Facil from LANCOME. This one was in the market, or should say was and still is on the market for a long time. This item is good, however, is overpriced. And right now there are many different alternatives which perform exactly the same and are way cheaper. With the Garnier, yes, it was nice. Will I repurchase? No, but I did like it as a product. Two items from Origins. First is their Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience Soothing Treatment Lotion. What is it? It's a toner which is gonna bring balance to your skin and prepare it for the next step. This is my, let's call it, small bottle. This is my second small bottle, and I already have a bigger size waiting on me. I do like it, but one thing which you have to be aware of, it has a earthy scent. So if you prefer smelly things, you're not gonna like this one. Same line, I have their eye cream, where I do enjoy the texture. Besides hydrating your under eye, it has many good ingredients, and I do see myself repurchasing this one in the future. Oldie but a goodie, it's the Vichy 89. That's a small sample, but I went through many bottles of it. That's their, let's call it, serum hydrator, which has different kind of minerals which are very beneficial to your skin. So yes, I like it. I already have a full size. Two face masks. First one, it's from Misha, that's their Snail Mask. This one, it's a hydrogel, meaning the texture of it is like a gel and comes in two pieces. So you have top part and bottom part. Some people, they don't like the snail mucin because it can be a little bit disgusting, but the mucin by itself, it's very beneficial because it's really hydrating and have good ingredients. I went through many of those masks, and yes, I do like it. Then the second one is from Burt's Bees. That's their detoxifying charcoal sheet mask with honey. What does it do? Removes impurities for invigorating cleanse. So when you take it out from the package, the mask, it's black and you're supposed to keep for 2 minutes. They say 2 minutes, but I could easily keep it for 10 because there was so much juice in it. With the charcoal itself, it's a little bit overrated, but as a mask, it was okay. However, 2 minutes, in reality, you could just apply few layers of a thick toner and it still will take around 2 minutes for the product to absorb. I try it. Will I repurchase? No. I have 3 moisturizers. First one is from Clarins. That's their Hydro Essential Moisturizers and Quenches Silky Cream. Normal to dry skin. As the name says, it was a cream. It was light in texture. If I can compare this to something, it will be the Neutrogena Hydro Boost. Yes, it was nice, it hydrated, but no, I'm not gonna repurchase because of the name, or I should say because of the price. And as you know, Clarins is not cheap, and I rather buy the Hydro Boost because you can save money and it performs exactly the same. Then the second one is the La Roche-Posay Toleriane. This is my, I believe, second or third tube. I do like it. If you enjoy CeraVe moisturizer, this, I would say, it's on the same level. It has niacinamide, ceramide, and that's the newer version with SPF, and I do enjoy it. It's one of those things which you want to grab for when your skin, okay, when you don't know what else to use. But in general, this item is wonderful. From e.l.f., I have their Hello Hydration Face Cream with hyaluronic acid and peptide. I was surprised that I did enjoy it. Obviously, it's empty. The texture was like a whipped cream, but you didn't need to use a lot. And this one, it lasts me for a quite bit. As you know, I do enjoy the Hydro Boost from Neutrogena when my skin is very dry, and I'm gonna reapply it every few hours. With this one was similar. Because of the light consistency, I could reapply it every few hours. Yes, I did like it. Obviously, it's empty. Will I repurchase? Not at the moment, maybe in the future, because I have many other items to go through. But if you are on a lookout for affordable, good moisturizer which works, this one is worth it. Those were my skincare items which I use for the month of February. If you're curious about the rest of the empties, then turn in to the second part, and I see you soon.